Hello, everyone, and welcome back to LearnFlow English. I'm Mia.
And I'm Alex. Hello, Mia. Hello to all our amazing listeners.
Alex, I have to tell you something embarrassing that happened yesterday.
Oh no, what happened?
So, I was texting my English-speaking friend about dinner plans. I wanted to say, I'm so excited to see you, but I wasn't sure about the grammar.
Okay.
So, I used Google Translate to check it, and you know what it suggested?
What?
It told me to write, I am very exciting to see you.
Oh no, that's completely wrong.
I know. Thank goodness I didn't send it. I am exciting means I am an exciting person, not that I feel excited.
Exactly. And this is why today we need to talk about something very important.
Yes, today's topic is stop using Google Translate for everything.
Now, before everyone gets upset, we're not saying Google Translate is completely useless.
No, it has its place. But if you use it the wrong way, you can make some really embarrassing mistakes.
So today, we're going to show you why Google Translate fails, give you some funny examples, and most importantly,
Tell you what to use instead, better tools and better methods.
exactly. So if this sounds helpful, please give us a like. It really helps us.
And subscribe to LearnFlow English. We're here every day with practical lessons.
Okay, Mia, let's start with the big question. Why does Google Translate fail so often?
Well, there are actually several reasons. Should I explain?
Please do.
Okay, reason number 1. Google Translate translates word by word, not meaning by meaning.
What does that mean?
Well, in my language, we have an expression that means good luck, but if you translate it word by word to English, it becomes break a leg.
Wait, but break a leg is an English expression.
Yes, but it's only for theater performances. You can't use it everywhere. Google Translate doesn't know the context.
Ah, so context is the problem.
Exactly. Reason number 2, Google Translate doesn't understand formal versus informal.
Can you give an example?
Sure, in many languages, there are different ways to say you, formal and informal, but Google Translate often picks the wrong one.
So you might accidentally be too casual with your boss or too formal with your friend.
Exactly. It's awkward. What's reason number 3?
Idioms and expressions. Google Translate is terrible with these.
Oh, I can imagine.
If you translate "it's raining cats and dogs" into another language and then back to English, it becomes chaos.
I bet. Okay, are you ready for some really funny examples?
Oh yes, I love these.
Okay, embarrassing mistake number 1. My friend wanted to order food at a restaurant. He used Google Translate to say, I am hungry.
That's simple enough.
But the translation app said, I am anger.
No way.
Yes, he told the waiter, I am anger. The waiter was so confused.
That's because hungry and angry can be similar words in some languages.
Exactly. Embarrassing mistake number 2. A student wrote an email to a professor. She wanted to say, I have a question about the homework.
Okay, what happened?
Google Translate made it, I have a problem with your homework.
Oh dear, that sounds like she's complaining about the professor.
I know. The professor was not happy.
Mistake number 3?
This one is funny. Someone wanted to compliment their friend's new baby. They wanted to say, your baby is so cute.
Sweet.
But Google Translate said, your baby is so small and delicious.
Delicious? Like food?
Yes, like food. The parents were very confused.
Oh my goodness, that's terrible.
Okay, mistake number 4. Someone wanted to write, I'm looking forward to meeting you in a business email.
Professional and polite.
Google Translate changed it to, I am looking in front to meet you.
That doesn't even make sense.
I know. It translated word by word, not the meaning.
Last example.
Okay, this is my favorite. Someone was trying to be romantic. They wanted to text their girlfriend, you make my heart sing.
Aw, that's sweet.
But Google Translate made it, you make my heart noise.
Heart noise? That sounds like a medical problem.
I know, not romantic at all.
Okay. So we've learned that Google Translate can create some very embarrassing situations.
Yes, and this is why we need to talk about better options.
So Mia, if we shouldn't use Google Translate, what should we use?
Well, first of all, let me be clear. Google Translate is okay for single words.
Just single words?
Yes, if you want to know what apple is in Spanish, Google Translate is fine. It's good for vocabulary.
But not for sentences.
Not for full sentences. That's where the problems happen.
So what do we use for sentences?
I have 3 better alternatives. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Alternative number 1, DeepL.
DeepL? What's that?
It's a translation tool, but it's much smarter than Google Translate. It understands context better.
How is it different?
DeepL uses artificial intelligence that's trained on real human translations, so it sounds more natural.
Can you give an example?
Sure. Remember, I'm looking forward to meeting you? Google Translate made it weird, right?
Yes, looking in front to meet you.
DeepL gets it right. It understands that looking forward is an expression, not literal words.
So it's smarter about idioms and expressions.
Exactly. And it's free to use. Just go to deepl.com.
Okay, what's alternative number 2?
Reverso context.
Reverso context? What does it do?
This is brilliant. It shows you how real people use the words in real sentences.
Real examples?
Yes, so if you type in a word or phrase, it shows you sentences from movies, books, news articles, real English.
Oh, so you can see the context.
Exactly. You can see, oh, this is how native speakers actually use this word.
That's so helpful.
And it also shows different meanings, so you won't pick the wrong definition.
I love that. What's alternative number 3?
This one is my favorite. Don't use translation tools for sentences at all.
Wait, what? Then how do you write in English?
You use simple English. You write what you can say, not what you want to say.
Can you explain that?
Okay, imagine you want to say something very complicated in English, but you're not sure how.
Yes.
Instead of translating from your language, think, how can I say this idea using simple English words I already know?
So simplify your message.
Exactly. For example, maybe you want to say, I'm enthusiastic about this opportunity, but you're not sure if that's correct.
Okay.
Instead, just say, I'm very excited about this. Same meaning, simpler words.
Oh, so use the English you know, not the English you hope is correct.
Yes, perfectly said. Simple, clear English is always better than complicated, possibly wrong English.
That's such good advice.
And here's a bonus tip. If you must use a translation tool,
Yes?
translate it, then translate it back to your language.
Translate it back? Why?
To check if the meaning stayed the same. If you translate I'm excited to your language and back to English, does it still say I'm excited?
So if it comes back as I am exciting, you know it's wrong.
Exactly. It's a quick way to check.
That's brilliant.
And one more thing. Always ask a native speaker to check important messages.
Like emails to professors or bosses?
Yes, or romantic messages to your girlfriend.
Especially those. We don't want any more heart noise situations.
Exactly.
Okay, let's do a quick review. What did we learn today?
We learned that Google Translate is okay for single words, but not for sentences.
Because it translates word by word, not meaning by meaning.
Right. And it doesn't understand context, formal versus informal, or idioms.
So what should we use instead?
3 alternatives. 1, DeepL for smarter translations.
2, reversal context to see real examples.
And 3, use simple English you already know instead of translating complicated ideas.
And if you must translate it back to check.
Exactly.
So everyone, the message today is, don't let Google Translate embarrass you.
Use smarter tools, or better yet, use simple English you're confident about.
Your English doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to be clear.
Yes, simple and clear is better than complicated and wrong.
Okay, everyone, we want to hear from you. Tell us in the comments, have you ever had an embarrassing Google Translate mistake?
Share your story. We all learn from each other's mistakes.
And if this episode helped you, please give us a like.
Subscribe to LearnFlow English for daily lessons.
And share this with a friend who uses Google Translate too much.
Thank you so much for listening today.
Remember, simple English is powerful English.
Keep learning, keep practicing.
See you tomorrow on LearnFlow English.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.